I recently ordered an iPad Air digitizer. This is for the first generation iPad Air. This was the cheapest one I could find on eBay for $12.19, sold by skyv5132. This is a short review, post review after installing the digitizer. It fit pretty well. My biggest issue was on the right side where the connector was. I had trouble fitting it in, but I think this was more of an issue on my side. I'm not an expert installer, but I can install things. But you can see everything fits pretty well. The bottom part I didn't get too well in, but everything else, even the top though, you can see it just has to attach to the tape. But in terms of the digitizer itself, one of the easier ways to test a touchscreen is to, move an icon, and then you can try traveling across the screen. If there are issues, then it'll just it won't even go there, or it'll stop. You can see I don't have any issues going to any part of the screen. So the digitizer is working great for me. So anyways, this is my short review. Came in this nice box. It had two bags around the screen, so it was well protected. And it came with tools. I don't have the tools with me, but they're the standard tools that come. It's actually here. Standard tools. You probably want to use a different set in terms of the screwdriver. But other tools like the pry tools could be used. That's it. Good LCD screen. I've been using it for a day or two now, and it looks good.